Salam and hello everybody. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're all doing really well. So welcome to my latest video where I'm getting ready for Ramadan 2021. So I'm mainly doing a little bit of cleaning. I clean and organize the fridge and just generally get ourselves in the mood for Ramadan. So the first thing I did was to clean the French doors and clean the windows in the kitchen. They were just really dirty. Before Ramadan, you want to get any physically strenuous jobs out of the way, because when you're fasting, you're usually quite tired and you don't really want to do anything tiring. So like any deep cleaning or anything, I like to get it done before Ramadan. And I'd cleaned all the kitchen cupboards like last month or the month before. And I just needed to clean the doors and the windows. So I just gave them all a nice little wipe. One hack or tip that I learned, can't remember where I read it in an article, is not to clean your windows when it's really sunny because it leaves streaks. So do it when it's kind of dull, which it usually is where we live. So that's any day. But when it's sunny, try to avoid cleaning your windows. Otherwise it'll be all streaky and you don't want that. So once I'd cleaned all the windows, I sorted out the fridge. So it wasn't too bad, it was just kind of disorganized and a little bit dirty. So I thought, let's tackle this and make room for when we get our stuff for Ramadan. So first of all, I just emptied out all the fridge. And then I took out the shelving and the containers, and I usually just wash all of those in the sink. Once I'd washed all the racks and stuff, I cleaned the inside of the fridge. And put everything back in. The packets and stuff that you buy all your fruit and veg in, they just take up a lot of room, don't they? Once you take everything out of the packets, you just have a lot more space. And there was the fridge, all nice and tidy and organised, all ready for Ramadan. One thing I wanted to get done before Ramadan was to put loads of laundry away. So I've had like a mountain literally of laundry to put away. Look at it there. Wow. So I went ahead and folded all the laundry, hung up whatever needed to be hung up. It was like a load had been lifted off my shoulders. And then I put a few Islamic books next to my bed for some nighttime reading during Ramadan, because to be honest, I don't really read many Islamic books. Hopefully if they're next to my bed, I'll read them more. And then we put up some decorations. So I got these from Poundland, really cheap. And the colours are nice, like you got rose gold and silver. I was going to order stuff online, but I saw these in Poundland and I thought these will do. So yeah, I know it's not the best and the fanciest, but the kids like it, so it's all good. And I took this page of du'as out of a charity booklet I had ages ago, and I thought I'll put it in a frame for Ramadan and keep it out for when we're fasting. So I did just that. I got the frame from Poundland again. We can read any of the du'as or supplications when we're sat at the table breaking our fast or whenever. Anyway, that was pretty much all the organisation and cleaning and decorating I did for Ramadan. I pray you all have a wonderful Ramadan 2021. Keep me in your du'as and keep the whole of the ummah in your du'as. Jazakallah, thank you so much for watching. Inshallah, see you really soon. Take care. Salam. Bye.